Hello friends, welcome to our Toys channel. Today we learn 10 lines essay about apple. First, an apple is a fruit. Second, it is red in color. Third, it is sweet in taste. 4. It has small seeds in it. 5. Apple is good for health. 6. It has vitamins, iron and fiber. 7. It is grown in hilly areas. 8. We should eat an apple every day. 9. An apple in a day keeps the doctor away. 10. Apple is my favorite fruit.